Are you looking for a natural way to treat common health issues? Look no further than your own backyard. Many medicinal herbals can be found growing wild in most backyards in the U.S. These herbal remedies have been used for centuries to treat various health issues and can provide numerous benefits for the mind and body. In this video, we will explore 10 of the most common and beneficial herbals that you can find in your own backyard and learn more about their uses and benefits, plus a bonus medicinal weed. First on our list is mint. Mint is a refreshing and versatile herb that is commonly found in most backyards in the U.S. Its leaves are aromatic and have a cooling effect on the body that can alleviate digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and nausea. The menthol in mint leaves is also known to have pain-relieving properties and can be used to treat headaches and migraines. Did you know that mint can also be used to improve your oral hygiene? Chewing fresh mint leaves can help fight bad breath and prevent tooth decay. Next up, we have chamomile. Chamomile is a delicate and beautiful herb that has been used for centuries for its calming properties. It is commonly known for its ability to soothe anxiety, stress, and promote sleep. Chamomile tea can also be used as a topical application for skin irritation such as eczema, psoriasis, and acne. The flavonoids in chamomile tea are also known to have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce pain and inflammation in the body. Moving on to the third herbal, we have dandelion. Dandelions might be considered a pesky weed, but they are loaded with health benefits. The leaves of dandelions are high in vitamins and minerals and have been used to treat digestive issues and liver problems. The root of the dandelion plant is used to treat inflammation and pain in the body. Dandelion tea is also known to have diuretic properties, making it an excellent natural remedy for water retention and bloating. Lavender takes the fourth spot on our list. Lavender is a fragrant and beautiful herb that is commonly found in many backyards in the U.S. It is known for its calming and relaxing properties and is used to treat anxiety, stress, and promote sleep. The essential oil of lavender can be used as a topical application to treat skin issues such as acne and eczema. Lavender has also been known to improve memory and concentration, making it an ideal natural remedy for mental fatigue. Echinacea is the fifth herbal on our list. Echinacea is a powerful herb that is known to boost the immune system and prevent infections. It is commonly used to treat colds and flu and is available in the form of supplements or teas. Echinacea is also known to have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce pain and inflammation in the body. Some studies also suggest that echinacea can help alleviate anxiety and depression. Rosemary comes in at number 6. Rosemary is an aromatic and flavorful herb that is commonly used in cooking. It is also known to improve memory and concentration and is used to treat headaches and migraines. The essential oil of rosemary can also be used as a topical application to promote hair growth and treat dandruff. Rosemary has also been known to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it an excellent natural remedy for various health issues. Similarly, we have thyme at number 7. Thyme is a fragrant and versatile herb that is commonly used in cooking. It is also known to have several health benefits, including its ability to treat respiratory issues such as coughs and bronchitis. Thyme tea can also be used to improve digestion and relieve bloating and gas. Thyme has also been known to have antimicrobial properties, making it an excellent natural remedy for infections. Another important herbal to consider is sage. Sage is a beautiful and aromatic herb that has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. It is commonly used to treat digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and indigestion. Sage tea can also be used to treat sore throats and promote oral health. Sage has also been known to have memory-enhancing properties, making it an excellent natural remedy for Alzheimer's disease and other cognitive impairments. Lemon balm is the 9th herbal on our list. Lemon balm is a refreshing and uplifting herb that is commonly used to treat anxiety and promote relaxation. It is also known to have antiviral properties, making it an excellent natural remedy for cold sores and other viral infections. Lemon balm tea can also be used to improve digestion and relieve bloating and gas. Some studies suggest that lemon balm can also improve cognitive function and memory. And lastly, we have calendula as our final medicinal weed. Calendula, also known as marigold, is a beautiful and versatile herb that is commonly used for its medicinal properties. It is commonly used to treat skin issues such as rashes, eczema, and acne. Calendula tea can also be used to treat digestive issues and promote oral health. Calendula has also been known to have anti-inflammatory properties, making it an excellent natural remedy for arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. Oh, hold on. We promised a bonus. Yeah, as an added bonus, we have stinging nettle. Stinging nettle is a common weed that is often overlooked, but it actually has many health benefits. It is commonly used to relieve allergies and hay fever, as well as joint pain and arthritis. Stinging nettle tea can also be used to improve digestion and relieve urinary tract infections. In conclusion, the herbals in your backyard are a treasure trove of natural remedies that can be used to treat common health issues. These herbal remedies have been used for centuries and have been proven to be safe and effective. Before trying any new herbal remedy, it is essential to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure their safety and efficacy. So, go ahead and explore the natural remedies that nature has to offer. What are your opinions on these medicinal herbs? Which one do you find most fascinating? Let us know in the comments section below. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay updated on exciting upcoming videos.